Hi friends, welcome back to the SKCAD solution. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to prepare 2D drawings for manufacturing in Autodesk Inventor software. So here I already made the 3D modeling, just I will convert it into 2D drawings. Select file, new, select the 2D drawing template. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me. I need to reach 1k subscriber. Here select base, front view, side view, top view and ISO view. So we can reduce the scale size or we can increase the sheet size. So I will increase the sheet size. Presently it is in A3. I will go with A2. Even A2 also not sufficient. Just I will reduce the view sizes. Three views are required, friends, because some dimensions we cannot show in the side view. So start with the dimension, friends. Go with manage style editors, remove the zeros, friends, not required. Annotation, give the base width 125 and this cutout 25 75. Height is 50. This height is 25. In the side views, first select all the views, select here center line and select the revolved feature, cylindrical features. Okay, select, give the overall length of the object, height from the base 85 mm. So this radius is 35 and this diameter is 40 mm. And also from here to here 80, here to here 40 mm. One more dimension for create the red 70 mm. from here to here 35. In this view, top view, give length of the object, give the rib thickness, this 70 dimension we can give here, and this 20 mm is very important because we cannot give this dimension in other views. I hope I covered all the dimension, friends. I think this angle, why I gave here 20 mm, that's it, 0 to 20. That's it, friends. If any dimension is missing, please let me know in the comment, friends. So with this we can prepare this part. Give the view names. Side view, this is top view. That's it, friends. One more time I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me, because I need to reach 1K subscription. Also very important thing in the drawing is all the dimensions should arrange neatly. So this is only basic drawing, friends. In the upcoming videos I will try to teach all the GD&T symbols with the datum lines and how to give the tolerances. See, in this 75 pocket is there, right? You can assume there one more part will fit, so that time we need to give the tolerances. In the 75 pocket we need to give plus side and matching part should give minus side. Like that we need to give the tolerances. Definitely I will try to teach you in the best way upcoming videos. Please follow my channel and watch all my videos. Thanks for watching this video, friends.